Are you looking for a way to make money online with print on demand? There are many ways that this can be done, and we will discuss them all in this video. We'll start by discussing how to establish your own print on demand company, talk about the different types of product you can offer, and explore some of the challenges and opportunities faced by those who choose to do print on demand as their primary business model. For many people, it's the ultimate objective to earn a living working from the comfort of home. With the correct assistance, support, and ambition, you may make a living without work. The benefits of selling on demand are numerous. You may make a career right from your armchair. As long as you have some basics down, put in the effort and time, you could be selling items from your online store in hours. What is print on demand? On-demand printing is a method of generating and selling printed items that you don't have on hand. Instead, you would deal directly with a supplier who would create your designs into goods and then send them to you. In essence, the print-on-demand model is a kind of dropshipping. Mugs, art prints, phone covers and tote bags are all examples of products you can make with on-demand printing. There are no startup costs or overheads, so it's suitable for anybody to operate. Without spending a cent, you may quickly establish a print-on-demand business in just 24 hours. Your printing partner processes, packs and sends your sales after they are received. You reimburse your supplier for the resources and labour they provide. Your profit is what's left over. The good news is that you only have to pay for what you've sold, so there's little risk of losing money. Another benefit is that you don't have to worry about storage space or delivery. You can concentrate on expanding your company to provide a steady income without working. How to establish your own print-on-demand company? You'll need a Printful account to start. You'll use Printful to generate and ship items to your clients. You should first create an account with a firm like Printful, then will handle the production and shipment of your goods to your consumers. You also need to set up an online shop. After that, you may connect your shop account to your Printful account to automate all of your incoming orders. You can add any Printful product to your online store through their print-on-demand platform. All orders placed on your e-commerce site are immediately sent to Printful, where they are printed and delivered directly to your customer. It's a rather passive way of making money. You'll need to create your items yourself. Setting up a website may take several days, but it's well worth the effort as it will be the epicenter of your business. 1. Find and register a domain name. You can get one at GoDaddy or a comparable domain registrar. Make it relevant to your area and easy to remember, or else you'll be wasting your time. 2. Choose your web platform. It's time to set up your online store after you've completed your domain. Using the method listed above is the simplest approach to accomplish it. Shopify, WordPress and WooCommerce and Wix are good recommendations. 3. Design your site and shop. Shopify, WordPress and Wix all have simple to use templates. Start with their templates and customize them to your liking. All you have to do is create all of the necessary pages: homepage, payment terms, delivery info and returns policy, etc. You may want to use premium theme or plugins to improve the experience of that of your customers. Make your website simple and pleasant to browse so that consumers may easily purchase goods. A great tip to install an abandoned cart plugin. For example, send your client a discount if they leave the site without making a purchase. 4. Enhance your site. Select the partner's dropshipping plugin for your store. Then it's time to pick a print provider once your website is finished. What type of products can you offer? You could use phone covers, mugs, or even custom all-over print t-shirts as the raw materials for your design. However, you shouldn't make this decision before doing sufficient due diligence. To begin, you must select a subject in which you can succeed. It might be as narrow as dogs that water ski in the Bahamas, or as broad as Minecraft figure. If you're stumped for ideas, make a list of 20 topics you like: tennis, weight training, reading, cycling, and so on. The more specialised your topic, the easier it is to stand out and discover clients, and the faster you can earn a living without working. Once you've finished gathering information, start validating your concepts. Check out Twitter, Facebook and Google Trends to see whether anybody's talking about your topic and what they're saying. If there's a lot of active and engaged individuals discussing your area of interest, they might be potential consumers. Once you've decided on a concept, the next step is to figure out what kinds of items to offer. There are numerous options. For example, you could start with what's popular. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, notebooks, stickers, phone cases, pillows, posters are among the most common print-on-demand goods. Despite the plethora of alternatives, the aim is to bring your items into line with what your market desires. Then market. Every print-on-demand company needs to have a strong marketing strategy. You're like a book on a shelf in the world's largest library if you don't have marketing. Until someone accidentally stumbles into you, no one knows you exist. You must make it easy for people to discover your company. The effectiveness of how you do it will be reflected in the number of people becoming your clients. What are the challenges and opportunities? The opportunities. 1. Low startup costs. There's no need to invest thousands of dollars into your business before you've even started selling, as there is traditional brick and mortar retailers. It takes less than $100 to get started. You can get a domain name and Shopify subscription to get you started with this amount. 2. Fast setup. With so many available themes, instructions, plugins and templates available these days, you can have your store up and running in no time. If you ever need additional support, just hire a specialist freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. 3. No need for warehousing. You don't have to worry about order fulfillment because your supplier will handle it. You may instead concentrate on selling. 4. Flexible with product designs. When you're attempting something new with your designs, all you have to do is notify your print partner and include it on your online store. 5. Go international. Your company will be able to deliver items worldwide, since your manufacturer can. Most manufacturers offer shipping services across the world. 6. Test new products without risking capital. You may quickly see which designs are popular and which aren't, allowing you to make changes on the go and reducing your financial burden while still generating a profit with your new business. 7. Sell your unique designs. Print on demand allows you to start your own unique business by developing your distinct brand, if you know how to create appealing visual content. Hard to imitate. Unlike most dropshipping businesses, you will have entirely unique products in your shop. You'll be able to develop your own brand, community, and repeat clients by selling unique items, which is more advantageous in the long run if you want to make full-time income without full-time employment. Challenges. It might be difficult to locate a lucrative niche and learn how to identify excellent designs. It takes time to master the ins and outs of POD businesses. Finding trustworthy suppliers, determining the most profitable designs, and growing your business all takes time. Low entry barrier. Even if you offer the most cutting-edge items with the greatest designs, you must be prepared to defend yourself. Your suppliers are also working with your rivals, and there are several more on the market. The intensity of competition may be daunting, so play to win. It's a good idea to have a return policy in place, but it can be difficult. It's critical that your supplier return policy is in sync with yours. There may be some additional fees to consider. If you're serious about making a full-time income without having a job and focusing only on your business, you should spend more time selling. Domain registration, plugins, payment gateway, and sponsored advertising all cost extra, but may help you gain an edge over the competition. As you can see, there are a few things to think about before deciding to open your POD school. Even though it has less risk and effort than establishing a conventional e-commerce business, it may still be a good place to start to generate an income without having a job. Is printing on demand for you? The profit margins are modest, but there is actually no work required to earn that money. The main thing you have to do is set up your designs, product templates, and Etsy store initially. There's nothing to lose because there are no startup costs. Print on demand is for you if you want something that will work in the background and generate some passive revenue. If you're looking for a method to go full-time with your current business, then this isn't the path to take. Have you tried print on demand? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how you can earn money online.